In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free money on Revolut, so just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Revolut app on your phone, and once it opens, go to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now once your profile page opens, look for an option called Invite Friends and tap on it. Now here you'll see an invite link, so all you need to do is tap on Invite Friends and copy your referral link. Now once the link is copied, you can send it to your friends using WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, or any other app. Now when your friends open a Revolut account using your link and complete the required steps, you'll receive a cash reward. Now, depending on the current promotion, you can earn between 60 euros and 200 euros per referral. Now, after your friend completes the sign-up, the reward will be added directly to your Revolut account. And that's it. That's how you get free money on Revolut. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.